Good morning. And every day people chat me up and be like, that my WhatsApp was hacked and the person chatting you all the while wasn't me, it was the hacker. Then I stopped to wonder, why can't people take simple steps to protect their WhatsApp? I mean, if you love your WhatsApp, if you don't want hackers to interfere with your WhatsApp, why can't you take these simple steps to protect it? So in this video, I am going to teach you the 3 key steps, or even 4, you take to make sure that your WhatsApp never gets hacked. Yes, if you do all of these things I'm going to teach you, believe you me, WhatsApp will protect your account like their life depended on it. And no hacker of no caliber can be able to hack it. Then number 2, in this video, I'm also going to teach you some privacy settings that you can turn on or turn off on WhatsApp to just stay private and protect yourself. Are you ready? Let's head in. So go on your WhatsApp, click on that 3 dots, click on settings, then go to accounts, click on two-factor, like two-step verification, and make sure you turn it on, okay? Then go back and click on security notifications. Make sure you toggle this on so that anytime anyone tampers your WhatsApp, you will get a notification. That's number 2. Number 3, set up your passkeys. Make sure you have a password that only you knows that is secured to your WhatsApp. Then the next one is to add an email. Yes, if you add an email to your WhatsApp, believe you me, it can't be hacked. So let's go through it again. Go to your settings, click on account, click on two-step verification. You do it, add email, add a passkey, and turn on your security notification. There is another place you can do all of these. I will take you back to privacy. So on that privacy part, you can click on it and then also click on advanced. Okay, when you click on advanced, yeah, I'll turn on these 2 things because you don't want anybody to track your IP when you are on call or when you are on chat with the person. Also, now go on again to this place. These are privacy issues, privacy checkup. This is also another place you can do your two-step verification, passkey, and recovery email. That's another place you can do. So it's either you do it on account or you do it on privacy. Now you can go on to lock your app that no one else can go on there. Okay, look at that. Turn on your extra security. So this can be found on privacy checkup. Go on your privacy checkup and look at all of the privacy things you can do all day. Open it, like navigate your WhatsApp. You can also change that nobody can see your profile picture, okay? From changing it to everybody to nobody. They can only see the tiny circle, but they can't be able to view it in full. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching.